In this video, you'll learn how to trade on Binance. This guide explains the necessary steps to execute trades effectively on the platform, ensuring you understand how to navigate through the trading interface. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate the trade option on the main navigation menu, typically found at the top of the screen. After selecting trade, a drop-down menu will appear from which you should choose spot trading. This will direct you to the spot trading interface where you can see various trading pairs listed. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your spot wallet to proceed with trading. Next, take a moment to choose your desired trading pair from the list available on the spot trading page. The trading pairs represent the cryptocurrencies you can exchange against each other. Once you've selected a pair, you will be able to see the current market information, including price charts and order books. It is important to review this information to make informed trading decisions. After selecting the trading pair, you will need to choose the order type for your trade. You can select from options such as market, limit, or other order types offered by Binance. For a market order, your trade will execute at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to specify the price at which you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount you wish to trade in the designated field. Confirm the price and total cost before moving forward, as this ensures accuracy in your transaction. Once you have set your order type and entered the amount, you are ready to execute the trade. Click either the buy or sell button, depending on whether you are acquiring or disposing of the cryptocurrency. If you selected a market order, the transaction will be executed instantly. It is crucial to monitor the confirmation on the screen to ensure the trade has gone through successfully. After executing the trade, you can check your order history to confirm the completion of your transaction. This section will provide details about the trade, including the amount traded, the price, and the time of execution. Keeping track of your order history is essential for managing your trading activities effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.